Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start sitting comfortably on a firm chair, foot flat and relaxed. Take a clean plastic bag, remove handles to prevent bunching, and slide it over your foot so the bag covers toes and sole. Then roll the compression sock down to its heel opening and place that rolled cuff against the bag toes. Use your free hand to steady the calf. This reduces friction and helps the sock glide. Once the sock grip touches the bag, you are ready for the next step. You now unroll the sock slowly, holding the top of the sock with one hand and pulling the bag out with the other. This keeps fabric from catching and lets the sock slide. Keep both hands smoothing the material upward in small increments. Pause, adjust, then continue, so tension stays even and there are no folds that can cut circulation. Make sure the sock reaches the prescribed height. Once it sits correctly, gently remove the bag by pulling it out from under the sock while you secure the heel with your thumb. You finish by inspecting the sock. Ensure the heel cup matches your heel, the fabric is smooth, and there are no tight creases at bend points. If you notice a wrinkle, peel the sock back just enough to re-smooth and then advance carefully. Do not yank. For stubborn resistance, reapply a small bag over the toes only and continue. If fabric still sticks, use a tiny amount of lotion on the skin, not on the sock, then reposition. This prevents damage and preserves compression integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.